Japan's biggest economic sources are its manufacturing, technology, and export sectors. Key components of Japan's economy include 1. Manufacturing. Japan is a global leader in the production of automobiles, electronics, machinery, and precision instruments. Major companies like Toyota, Honda, Sony, and Panasonic are central to Japan's economy. 2. Technology and innovation. Japan is renowned for its cutting-edge technology, particularly in robotics, AI, and electronics. The country's focus on innovation fuels its economic growth. 3. Exports. Japan is one of the world's largest exporters, with products ranging from cars and electronics to chemicals and machinery. 4. Services sector. Japan's services sector, particularly finance, insurance, and real estate, is also a significant contributor to the economy. 5. Tourism. In recent years, tourism has been growing as an economic source, though it faced challenges during the COVID-19 pandemic. Japan's economic success is largely driven by its exploratory-oriented approach and its emphasis on technological advancements.